Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Touted as a futuristic luxury mobile home that is set to be mind-blowing, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is expected to represent a major advancement in the market for upscale recreational vehicles. With cutting-edge design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort, this future model probably seeks to redefine mobile luxury by building on Prevost's well-established reputation for sturdy chassis and high-end coach conversions. The 2026 Prevost Motorhome's exterior would probably adopt a more sleek and futuristic design language, departing from traditional RV aesthetics. Anticipate streamlined, aerodynamic shapes that may include creative lighting options and large panoramic windows that perfectly combine the indoor and exterior spaces. Both weight savings and a more contoured appearance may result from the use of sophisticated composite materials. The futuristic luxury element would be evident as soon as one stepped inside. Open-concept living would probably be given top priority in the interior design, which would make use of clever spatial arrangements and premium, eco-friendly materials. Anticipate custom furniture made from high-end leathers, exotic hardwoods, and cutting-edge textiles. Through user-friendly interfaces or even AI-driven customization, cutting-edge technology would be seamlessly incorporated throughout, managing elements like ambient lighting, climate management, entertainment systems, and security measures. The mobile home component would be given a previously unheard-of degree of refinement. A gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, a spa-like bathroom with luxurious fixtures, and a master suite intended for the utmost in relaxation are all possible layout elements. Immersion audiovisual systems may be used to give entertainment, and connectivity would be crucial to guarantee a smooth transition to the digital world. The futuristic element would probably go beyond the motorhome's appearance and technological capabilities to include its basic operation. This might involve sophisticated energy management systems that make use of effective battery storage and a lot of solar electricity. To improve the trip experience, automated driving capabilities that build on developments in autonomous car technology may potentially be incorporated. The 2026 model would surely provide a secure and comfortable ride, especially considering Prevost's history of producing sturdy and dependable chassis for luxury coaches. Comfortable long-distance driving would be ensured by a strong and effective powertrain, and sophisticated suspension systems would add to the driving experience. As a futuristic luxury mobile home, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, in conclusion, lays the groundwork for a possibly groundbreaking recreational vehicle. This proposal proposes a mobile living space that goes beyond conventional expectations by fusing Prevost's reputation of quality with innovative design, state-of-the-art technology, and lavish amenities, providing an absolutely astounding experience for individuals looking for the pinnacle of luxury travel.